chili garlic wedges. Chili garlic wedges, gravy and crispy smacking snack. Try this easy chili garlic wedges and enjoy them with a dip of your choice, prepared using a handful of ingredients like potato, garlic, ginger, coriander leaves, flour, red chili powder, oregano, chili flakes, and salt. These crunchy chili garlic wedges will definitely become your ultimate favorite. If you don't wish to deep fry the potato wedges, you can shallow fry them in minimal oil or even air fry them to give them their much needed crispy texture. Be it kind or adults, everyone will love this recipe for sure. Occasions like it, you are a potato lover, then you need to bookmark this recipe for sure. You can pair up these chili garlic wedges with tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, chipotle sauce, and even green mint. Chonti to try this recipe, rate it, and let up you know it turned out by leaving a comment in the section below. Happy cooking, image credit. Serve 4 servings: 2 potato, 1 or 4 cups refined flour, 1/2 cup teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, salt as required, 1 cup vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 2 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. How to make chili garlic. Step 1. Prepare the potatoes. Wash the potatoes well, peel them and cut them into wedges. Soak them in water for 10 minutes. Now add them to a pot along with the water and salt. Boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Step 2. Make a celery. Add refined flour to a bowl along with red chili powder, oregano, chili flakes, and salt. Add water and make a celery. The celery should be neither too thick nor too thin. Step 3. Coat the potato wedges. Add the potato wedges to a bowl and mix well to coat them well in the mixture. Step 4. Fry the wedges. Now heat 1 cup of oil in a karahi. Drop the wedges in hot oil and fry in batches. Fry until golden brown in color. Take out the fried wedges on a plate.